Hi guys, Ketobeastbeauty here. I got this all out of keto grocery list. Really cool. It comes with a magnet for your fridge, or you could just pull it out of the pad, take it with you. It's got all the fruits, dairy and eggs, meat and poultry, nuts and seeds, snacks, vegetables, cheese, oils, spices, toiletries, flours and baking, frozen foods, household, canned and jarred, seafood, condiments, drinks, and oh yeah, and are you curious to see what I buy? For fruits, avocados, berries, lemons and limes. For dairy and eggs, butter, cottage cheese, cream, eggs, more eggs, ghee and yogurt, Greek yogurt, no sugar. Meat and poultry, bacon, beef, chicken. I like to make bone broth at home, so cold cuts too I should add to this. Salami, sausage, and turkey is like twice a year. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, macadamia nuts. For snacks, beef sticks, dark chocolate, olives, Parmesan crisps. I need to add pork rinds to this, and seaweed. Vegetables, arugula, bell peppers, broccoli, cauliflower, celery, cucumbers, garlic, onion, tomatoes, and zucchini. And I switch it up a lot. For cheese, for me, is feta, mozza, and parmesan. My husband likes Swiss. For oils, animal fat, olive oil, and butter. For spices, for me, it's just sea salt. My husband uses pepper as well. For flours and baking, almond flour, protein powder, psyllium husk, sweetener, and xanthan gum. Frozen foods, cauliflower that's riced, and veggies. Canned and jarred, spam and tuna, sometimes pumpkin puree. For seafood, mackerel, sardines, salmon, sardines, and tuna. For condiments, buffalo sauce, guacamole, hot sauce, liquid aminos, mayo. I'm going to try and make it myself instead though. Mustard, nut butter, pickles, ranch dressing, salsa, sauerkraut, tartar sauce, and vinegar. For drinks, bubbly water, coffee, electrolyte mix, nut milk, and tea. And I don't fill this one out because I kind of know what I already need. And this one's for any extra things that I forget. And that's it. My keto grocery list. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow for more. Have a great day.